Today I show you an interesting power plug from IKEA that has also a USB-C power supply. So it's a complete power supply, modern power plug. Usually these ones you find them like this now with power sockets and power for USB, but this one is 45 watts power delivery USB-C. So that's not a joke, it's pretty good. It's the same as the Jost chargers they have, and this is information here about the power delivery, different voltages. So you can have 15 volts, 5 volts, 12 volts, different voltages, 20, I think there was also 20. You have to pause the video to watch it there because I didn't really go through it too much. I didn't look through the specifications of this, but it is 45 watts in one mode, one single mode. So you will have 45 watts if you have only one device plugged in. This is a SKOTAT, IKEA SKOTAT. If you plug in one device, you get 45 watts power delivery. If you plug in two devices, you get 22, I believe, in both of them. Still a great power supply option. It's 1.8 meters and it's 250 volts, 13 amp. The rating is 13 amp for the power extension. The cable looks really solid, looks very well built, and I like this kind of design that you can put it in a corner somewhere. Usually a corner is not so useful on a desk or even in around anywhere you might have some kind of storage. This one could be mounted vertically, even you could put this vertically or horizontally, but it's away from you, it's in a corner somewhere. 25 euro for this, I don't know, maybe 20 euro would have been better. Thanks for watching.